Hey guys, welcome to our channel Milch Media. Today we are going to talk about Peaky Blinders. Peaky Blinders is a British crime drama series set in Birmingham, England. The story is adopted from the actual urban British gang of Birmingham in the 1930s. The series started in the late 2013 and up till now the series has completed 5 long-running seasons. The popularity of the show is at its peak now more than ever. The show has achieved a solid 8.8 IMDb rating and has won 16 awards and 35 nominations. Sixth season, the continuation of season 5, is expected to release in late 2021 or early 2022 due to the pandemic situation. Fans are eager to watch the new 6th season as season 5 ended on a cliffhanger. So let's have a glimpse of season 5. A Shelby family running one of the most feared gang in England, led by the main character Thomas Shelby. They survived every disaster, but the biggest one was yet to come. The family already was not on a good terms, but the Wall Street crisis made it worse. And as everybody says, a good series become a better with the best antagonist, and this was the best time to bring an opposite character with same ideals as our main character. To get out of this mess, our second most favorite character Michael Shelby brings a deal about shifting towards New York. Though the deal was well enough to have peace, but Thomas always stand by his ideas. And it might be the last thing Thomas would have wanted turn his back and leave Birmingham. Tommy's reply, the failed attempt to kill Mosley while announcing the creation of new fascist party, the death of Abraham Gold. This scene was good enough to give us chills.
Talk to me. Maybe I found him. Arthur, the man I can't defeat. Mosley, I don't know. I don't fucking know. Doesn't make sense. Let's go inside. Work it out. Have a drink. I need to walk.
The work's all done, Tommy. It's all done. We can walk away from all of this. It's so easy. It's so soft. Such a small change.
One thing we can all agree on is that Peaky Blinders Season 5 was the best out of all the season. Steve Knight, the founder and screenwriter of the series, has raised the hype from saying that 6 would be the best time thus far. Shooting of Season 6 was scheduled so that series could air early 2021, but the whole pandemic situation has twisted this situation. Anthony Bryan stated on Instagram, "We were quite near the start of filming Season 6. Months of hard work from our very gifted, committed and hard-working staff. All of the groundwork was completed. It is a real shame to not be in a position to get it done at this time. But I want to thank the team. We are in this together." What can we expect in Season 6? Anthony Bryan states on a podcast, the concept of Season 6 would be to adopt Oswald Mosley and Gina Gray's story. One of the major questions which must be discussed is who betrayed Thomas Shelby. Season 5 ended on Thomas Shelby's plan to assassinate Mosley failed. So now the question arises, who could have betrayed Thomas Shelby? The prime suspect is Billy Grade. Billy picked up a phone after Finn Shelby disclosed the Peaky Blinders were going to shoot dead Mosley. However, we do not know much about this character as much information is not disclosed, and there is high possibility of him playing a major role in upcoming season. While the secondary suspects are the Greys. From the starting of season 5, Michael and Gina Gray has been portrayed as the antagonist. Tommy also feared they might betray him. Polly Gray might also have a change of heart and join Michael and Gina's side. However, that's highly unlikely since it resulted in the death of her fiancé, Abraham Gold. So, that's all for today.